Good morning. We are Team Agri-Track and we look forward to taking you through our project today. Without further ado, let me take you through the background of this project. Modern farms and agricultural operations work far differently than those a few decades ago, primarily because of advancements in technology offering a controlled environment, including sensors, devices, machines, and information technologies such as robots, drones, temperature and moisture sensors, aerial images, and GPS technology. These technologies allow farmers to be more efficient, profitable, safer, and more environmentally friendly. The current situation within South Africa's urban farms is they have an uncontrolled environment due to financial constraints, lack of technology, and inappropriate skill sets. This has resulted in these areas facing unnecessary challenges caused by the continuous use of manual and traditional farming techniques. A walkthrough of our problems and objectives may help you understand the value this project offers. When the world's population increases to 10 billion in 2050, it may prove extremely difficult to meet the food demand. The consensus is that global agriculture will have to be increased by at least 60 to 70% to cover the increased food demand in 2050. However, the world and agricultural processes face multiple challenges such as global warming, rapid urbanization, and extreme competition for natural resources. Agri-Track, along with our sponsor African Ideas, believe these challenges can be combated by creating an end-to-end system that will act as an integrated grow assistant to farmers. Our grow assistant is able to monitor and finely tune crop and environmental conditions, offer powerful visualizations, alerts, and remote control capabilities, allowing farmers to focus on higher priority tasks. Our grow assistant's ultimate setting would be an indoor vertical farming environment, which would allow for complete control over the environmental setting. Automated indoor vertical farms also use up to 60% less water and only occupy a fraction of the space compared to a traditional agricultural setting. However, the grow assistant will be applicable over hydroponics, aquaponics, and standard soil-based grow environments. In regards to our tech stack, three separate dimensions can be identified. On the ground, in the farming environment, we used ESP32 microcontrollers and various sensors and actuators to read and manipulate this farming environment. We used C++ and Arduino Studio to code these microcontrollers. We then used a serverless architecture, specifically Amazon Web Services, to host all this data. This included DynamoDB, NoSQL databases, AWS Amplify, AWS Lambda, GraphQL APIs, AWS CloudWatch, and AWS Cognito. For our front-end application, we used Angular, Node.js, and GraphQL.
Hi, I'll now do a little demonstration of our project. As you can see here, we have our login dialog. I'll quickly go and log in, which should take me through to the dashboard. As you can see here, we have our dashboard with our live metrics. They aren't working as live at the moment, but these are being pulled through from the dashboard. A lot of these metrics, we've had to decrease the scope of our project. So for example, wind flow level, pH level, these are not actually currently being shown. But as you can see here, we have our metrics coming through, Hoppers 5, humidity of 55, and this graph you can manipulate. Then we have our master controls here, which you can switch off all the fans, for example, all the sprinklers, and these are our actuator controls. They aren't currently working, but this is just to prove concept. And we also have a lot of other things here that are just to prove concept. We haven't got them working 100% with the actuators yet. You can go over here, see I have a little profile page where I can change my name, email, and this updates with our DynamoDB table. I can also go over here and order a new device if needed, put in my email, my name, say for example I want some moisture sensors and I want to put in a little bit of a message. I can do so and submit that. Yeah, which takes us through to a little confirmation dialog that just says that our form has been submitted, and I can go back. And over here, these are where, so all the different submissions will come through to an admin where you can see what exactly is being ordered. over here, you can see there, for example, 5 moisture sensors with my little message, please hurry. And that's pretty much most of what we have to show with our dashboard within the time frame. I can also just go and log out.